Hello, everyone. This is Gokul Alex. Thanks for visiting my channel. And this is the live stream focusing on digital technologies such as digital identity, digital money, digital um, agents, digital uh, transportation, etc. So this in this specific session, we are going to focus on the dynamics of decentralized identity. Decentralized identity being a dominant paradigm of digital identity in our modern times, we should understand the core components of digital decentralized identity systems. As we see in this diagram, I have put together a diagram on the digital identity implementation using different blockchain protocols. On the top left, you can see one of the prominent protocol is Hyperledger Indy coupled with Hyperledger Aries. It's a purpose-built identity protocol with a specific consensus algorithm and a specific wallet based on Hyperledger Aries with its own agents to interact with the blockchain backend. And the modular, it is a highly modular system in such a way that you can use different blockchains. Even beyond Hyperledger Indy, you can explore some other blockchains like Hyperledger Fabric or other blockchains as the verifiable data registry. The other interesting approach is Ethereum-based implementation of decentralized identity powered by Ether DID standards, which helps us to create on-chain decentralized identity registries. Then there are other protocols like Veramo framework, and then there are self-sovereign identity software development kits like Matter, Trinsic, etc. So all of them work together essentially as to create three functional components, as we have mentioned in the previous video. There is a identity issuer, there is an identity holder wallet, and there is a verifier. As we see here, the issuer could be a government, university, or an organization. And the holder is the custodian of the decentralized identity. And then there can be verifier, the service providers like employers or the immigration agencies and so on, who provide the identity verification service. Here, we can understand we should see two other important paradigms, which is verifiable credential and verifiable presentation. From the holder wallet system, we can create different type of verifiable presentations which can be verified by the service provider. Likewise, the issuer, along with the decentralized identity, can also issue a verifiable credential. It can also be validated by the verifier system. Here, the main building blocks of the entire system, as we have mentioned, are the DID. Just like when we look at a conventional blockchain, in a conventional blockchain, there are accounts and smart contracts. In a decentralized identity-based blockchains, there is a DID document and the associated storage on a blockchain ledger. So the all the DID documents, decentralized identity documents created should comply with the decentralized identity standards recommended by W3C. And there could be multiple ways to store the decentralized identity document. It could be stored on a permission ledger like Sovereign, Cardano, Hyperledger, Indy, Fabric, or it could be on a public blockchain like Ethereum. And the DID documents can be it consists of the public keys and the service endpoints, so that when you open it, you can read it like a JSON document. And you can also create zero knowledge proof powered identities using zero knowledge techniques like ZK snarks. This is the current method, popular set of components and methods to implement decentralized identity using blockchain. As we see here, this is pretty much structured approach. What is interesting in this approach is it is highly modular, and this is splitting the entire workflow into three important actors: issuer, holder, and the verifier. Now let's think about a scenario. How is this aligning with the current era? A current era where we have agents, we have different kind of data sets, algorithms, and different type of organizations, new type of organization dynamics emerging. How will this system align with the new era? This is where we need a detailed dialogue. The main challenge comes in. One is the scalability challenge. With the rapid growth of agents and the rapid expansion of the content generated from large language models and small language models, how do you ensure they are having verified credentials, verified presentations? Where are public blockchains doing it? Where are enterprise blockchains are they able to do it in enterprises? I think this problem has to be solved from the touch points where the physical identity interfaces with the digital identity. And when you create uh, a digital identity first time, the life cycle has to begin there. So there should be continuous touch points in the entire workflow so that the digital identity creation and evolution happens in a seamless manner. This is the topic of discussion in our next video. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. Please share your comments. And if you like the uh, video, please like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.